This is part 3 of a tutorial on how to do a basic case that will be cut on the laser engraver. So here's my basic case, and we've assembled it. We've modified it to put a hole in it. And like I say, there's so many more things I could show you, but this is a basic tutorial on how to make a case and get it to 2D. So I'm going to take it from here, and I need to actually lay it out flat in 2D dimension, in a 2D dimensional space now. So I got to actually take this thing and break it all apart. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back up to New, and this time around we're going to do Drawing. Okay, and we're going to call this one a 2D laser case. Okay, and again, you notice there's no spaces allowed. And I'm going to hit OK. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the drawing surface to work with the laser engraver. So under specify template, it's going to be empty. Okay, under orientation, we're going to do variable. And the width, the laser engraver is 24 inches wide by 12 inches high. Okay, so those are the dimensions I'm going to put in, and I'm going to put OK. So what comes up now is this is my, that shouldn't have been there. Okay, so this now is my basically how my 2D layout, right? So what I got to do is I got to get my drawing model, okay, and so I'm going to grab a model, I'm going to go add, and I'm going to grab the base, okay, and it comes in, and nothing shows up, okay. I actually have to click on General, and there's no combined states, and I hit OK, and what? Still nothing until I click once, and the part comes in, okay. Here what I got to do is I got to make this thing flat so it lays flat in 2D. Right now it's on an angle, right? So I'm going to go with looking from the top. So if you've done this right, top view, and I hit apply, it should go flat. Okay, and it's in gray. I don't want it gray, I want it black and white. So I'm going to go down to view display. This display type, I want it to be no hidden. And then click apply, right? And then close. So there's my first part in. Now if you look down here, scale, this is really important. Scale's got to be 1. If that scale is 0.5, you're going to have to scale it up to 1. Okay, or if it's 0.33, because when you cut out the laser engraver, you're cutting out 1 to 1. Right? So there's my first part. Then I go drawing model, I go add model, I go at the end, and I go general, right? Repeat it, no combined state, okay. Nothing until I click, and I'll click, I don't know, click there, go again. I'm going to go from the top view, go apply, and go to view state, follow the environment. No, I want no hidden. Hit apply, and close. Okay, now you see how I can't move it right now. So if I right mouse click, and I didn't tell you this earlier, right mouse click and hold. Okay, and what I want to do, whoops, that's not what I want to do. I'm going to click it once, then right mouse click and hold, and I'm going to go lock view movement. I'm going to uncheck that. That lets me move it now so I can move it around. Okay. And I believe if I could take it and I go Control C and I go Control V, no, it doesn't do that. So what I'm going to do is go and bring another one, go General, OK, click, right, go back and go Top View, Apply, View Display, no hidden, Apply, right, there's the second part, I can move it in place. So those were the sides. Now I'm going to go back to Drawing Model, Add Model, side now, those were the ends earlier. Okay, I'm going to click, add model, side, general, okay, too many steps here, and just move this over the side, and again, right, I'm going to go to top, and then I'm going to go to view display, yes, and then view display, go to no hidden, apply, there's that one, and go once more, do that, and I go to top, apply, I go view display, go to no hidden, apply, there's my parts, right? So what I want to do is on the laser engraver, I actually want to make sure that I don't want to waste material, so I'm going to try and see if I can move this all. Can I get it all in one? Don't know if I'm going to. I'm going to put these all close together. No, I'm not quite going to get them all in one, so I'm going to put 3 of them like this, and this one I'm just going to leave up here for now. Okay, so there's my 5 pieces to go to the laser engraver. Now what I have to do is I have to save it because there's 2 other pieces of software I got to get to. It's quite a long process. Okay, but so basically I'm now going to save it as the right format to open it up in another program. So I'm going to go File, I'm just going to save it first off, right? And you can see a 2D laser case. Okay, and oops, when it comes up with model not regenerated, I hit OK. What you got to do is right on, where is it? Uh-oh, I just lost it. View. No, it's going to be under Tools, Render. No, Review Analysis. Great. Now I'm flipping here. I hit Save. Hit OK. There you go. I don't know why that came up. Okay, so now I've saved it. Now I'm just going to go to File, and I'm going to go Save As, and go to Export. And under Export, I'm going to say Export as a DXF. So click on DXF, click Export. Okay, it's going to go to the same directory, but this time it's going to be a DXF file, and I hit OK. And it gets out, and it saves it out, it exports it out. I'm now done laying it out in 2D. Okay, and I'm going to stop here and go to the last tutorial for this segment.